Hi again, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing this Chalkola Gouache paint set. Let's just hop right into it. Alrighty, so here is that gouache paint set from Chalkola, and I just really love this packaging. It's just so clean and beautiful, yet has this beautiful pop of color right here. And it says that it is high intensity colors with premium quality artist pigments. There's 36 different colors. They're 12 milliliter tubes, which is 0.41 US fluid ounces, and it includes all these goodies, which I didn't even realize when I first purchased this product. So it does include 10 brushes, a palette knife, one palette, and a sponge, which is super exciting because you basically have everything you need to start out with, and the paints with this set. So if you're buying this product, you really get everything you need, even if you are a beginner painter with no supplies. So these are the different colors that we have in this set, and you get a really good spread of colors with this palette, with this product, and it's really exciting. You get like 3 different kinds of white, which is awesome, and 4 is another white here, which is good because honestly white is the color you go through the most because you mix it with anything to make things lighter. You also get these really cool metallic colors, which I'm really excited to try out. Also, each color has a light fastness, opacity level, and the pigment code in case you need to replace any of your colors. So that's really helpful when you're painting to know how opaque your color is and the different light fastness, because that'll change the different paints you're going to want to use for different images. So let's go ahead and open this up. So when you open up the package, here's your palette knife, which is way bigger than I expected. It's really exciting, and it's actually really good quality. Or so it seems. I'll have to try it out later for you, but it's actually fairly large and looks like great quality. Then here are those 10 brushes. You get different kinds of brushes too. You get your different like detail brushes, your filberts, a nice big fan brush, and you do get one of those square brushes as well. Really all you need to start out as a painter. This is also really cute. It comes with a color swatch sheet, so I don't have to make my own color swatch sheet. I can just go ahead and lay those colors right out, and it has the different names already written out for me, which is really exciting because that is a lot of work to write each one out. So I will be using this to test out the different colors for you later. This is the sponge that comes in the package. I already taken it out because it was kind of bowing up the package and I wanted it to look nice. But there's the sponge. And then you get this nice little palette with it as well. These are the colors in all their glory. And then there's another tray underneath with the other colors. I really like when packages are laid out like this because it's easy to just kind of lay it out on your desk and you can see all the colors just right there. I also wanted to show you on the back of these brushes, it tells you exactly which kind of brushes you're getting and which different techniques you can use, which is actually really cool because a lot of people don't know what the different brushes are used for. So you get to see what kind of brush it is and what kind of techniques you can get, and then what the brush is actually called. So that's really helpful, and I think a really sweet detail about this product. To do these swatches, I'm going to be using this shader brush. So it's got a nice square edge and flat. So that'll be really nice to fit into these different square boxes. So let's do it. Okay, so here are all of the colors in all of their glory. I am really impressed by the range of colors and their vibrancy. I think these are really beautiful colors, and you get a really good spread of different kinds of colors. So you have your different shades of red, you get different yellows and greens and blues, and I think that's just really nice to have in a set because you can really get different warms or cools depending on what kind of, aesthetic you're going for. So I really love that. And for the most part, they're pretty opaque, which is nice. The only one I noticed that's not as opaque is the sap green. And it might honestly just be because I didn't, layer on enough paint. With one more layer, it would probably be opaque. But yeah, I would say most of these are very opaque, very beautiful colors. Like I said, very vibrant. The thing to look out for with gouache paints too is for chalkiness. A lot of cheap gouaches can be chalky, but with these I'm not really noticing a chalkiness at all, which is great. That means they are artist quality, which is what they claim to be. And yeah, like I said, very, very beautiful. You also get these metallics, and their sheen is just absolutely gorgeous. I love the silver and this pearly white. I think those are really fantastic, and I always love a good gold. I'm a sucker for a nice gold highlight in a painting. And there are a couple things I noticed about this set. The first is there's actually 2 different violets that came with this set. I actually didn't get a lilac, and I don't know if that was just a production error or what happened there, but I'm not mad about it. I actually use purple quite a lot, so I probably will go through that purple anyway. And if I wanted to make a violet color, I could just add white to a purple. The other thing is you get 2 different kinds of whites. So you get a cooler white and you get kind of like a warmer white. There's that titanium, which I think is nice depending on what effect you're going for. One more thing too is that there were 2 slots for peach and no slot for this turquoise blue. So I just went ahead and put this turquoise blue in one of those peach slots, which I think is just a printing error and not really a big deal, honestly. I'll just relabel that color slot and I'll be good to go. It's honestly just so nice to have a swatch sheet already laid out for me. It saved me a lot of time when swatching all these colors. And now I can just leave this with the set and use it for any time I go to paint with the set. Overall, I'm really happy with these colors and the selection, and I'm really excited to try out an actual painting with these paints. So let's go ahead and do an actual painting. Okay, so overall, I really enjoyed this gouache set. I will mention that they are only $25.95 on Amazon. I do have that link provided below if you'd like to check them out. I think this is a really good deal for the amount of money you'll be paying for this set. It's really great, especially for beginners. If you've never painted before and you don't have any supplies, no brushes, or a palette, this is a great set because as soon as you get that set in the mail, you'd be ready to go. You'd have your brushes and your palette and your paints, and you could just start laying down paint immediately. So I think this set is really great for beginners. You get every single color you would need and all the supplies. And as far as painting with these paints actually goes, I had a great time. They were super easy to paint with. They laid down both transparent and super opaque towards the end, which is really what you want from a gouache. You want to be able to get the effects of watercolors, but also be able to lay down some opaque layers on top of those layers. And layer. So these are great. I really enjoyed this set, and if you're interested, like I said, you can get that link down in the bio of this video in the description. And yeah, I really wish I'd had this set when I was a beginner, because the gouache paints that I had when I first started painting with gouache were way worse than this. Like, they did not layer well at all. They also didn't pull back easy as well. So I really liked these gouaches, and I recommend them, especially if you're just starting out. And even if you're not just starting out, like, I'm going to use these paints a lot because I really like the way that they lay down and the way that you can continue to layer and build, and they don't pull away as soon as you start to paint a layer on top, and they're not just getting all chalky and dry on you as well. So anyway, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.